Take the derivative to find the slope. Find the slope. Find the slope. Take the derivative and find the slope. Find the slope. Find the slope. Take the derivative to find the slope. Find the slope. Find the slope. I don't want the value of the average rate, I just want the slope of the tan. How do I approach this problem? Guess I'll take the derivative, man. Guess I gotta ask Arpan again. I know these things happen often, but I'm back at my desk and I'm lost in the test. Yo, how do I derive this function? That's why we have this one root for you to see. You take the 2 and times it by the 3. Now the 2 turns into a 1. You just derive the function, now you're done. The 1's a function going to increase, but dx still inside and from the these. Knowing pin, I find the positives. See, you got intervals with these. In the function, there's no jumps or holes. Just continuous from left to right. Just continuous from left to right. Y is a quadratic 3x squared. It don't need to cause you no gray hairs. You'll be the star you always knew you were. Wait, now on to question number 4. Take the derivative, find the slope. Find the slope. Find the slope. Take the derivative and find the slope. Find the slope. Find the slope. Take the derivative to find the slope. Find the slope. Find the slope. So much for integration. Don't know what I was thinking. I'm going back to pre-calc. So much for integration. Don't know what I was thinking. I'm going back to pre-calc. Take the derivative, find the slope. Find the slope. Find the slope.
Find the slope of the tan. The tan. The tan. The tan. Find the slope of the tan. The tan. The tan. The tan.
Take the derivative, find the slope. Find the slope. Find the slope.
Find the slope of the tan. The tan. The tan. The tan.
Hi, I'm Joseph.
And I'm Nick.
And today we're cooking with Arpan.